channel. I'm Mai, a local Japanese cooking and dessert expert. 皆さんこんにちは、Mai です。Today, I want to show you a very cute Japanese mochi recipe, which is lemon mochi cubes. In Japanese, this sweet is known as gyuhi. Traditionally, mochi cubes are made with simply glutinous rice flour and sugar. Today, I want to add a little twist by adding lemon flavor. A mochi cube is like a Japanese version of marshmallow. The sweetness is more gentle, and you can enjoy the soft texture as well as citrusy lemon flavor in mochi. Mochi is often used to wrap around the filling like ice cream or bean paste, but this mochi cube recipe involves no shaping or wrapping. So this is definitely an easier introduction to mochi recipe. 今日はレモンの求肥を作ってみたいと思います。冷やして食べるととっても美味しいので、ぜひ最後までご覧ください。Alright, so let's get started! Let's prepare the lemon. I will slice the lemon. Then add sugar and water in a pot. Bring it to boil. Stir and dissolve the sugar in water. Then add lemon slices to the pot and cook for 5 minutes over low-medium heat. Turn off the heat and cool down the temperature. When the lemon cools, cut into tiny pieces. Lemon syrup in the pot will be added to the dough, so please keep it. Let's make the mochi now. As a preparation, dust your container with potato starch. Place glutinous rice flour in a pot. Then add water little by little and make a smooth paste. Then heat the pot at medium temperature. Stir the mixture, and when it started to solidify, reduce the heat to low. Add sugar in 3 addition. Keep stirring the mixture. Keep stirring until it reaches smooth consistency. Add lemon syrup in a pot, lemon, and stir. Pour the mixture into the dusted container. Dust the mochi with potato starch. Cool down the temperature. Then cover with a plastic wrap and place it in the freezer for about 2 hours. Cut the mochi into cubes and remove the starch with a brush. The lemon mochi cubes are complete now. These tiny cubes are so cute, and I love the small pieces of lemon that I can see in white creamy mochi dough. Let's give it a try. The mochi is so soft and so gentle. I can taste the citrusy lemon and crunchy lemon texture in soft, sweet mochi dough. This is so delicious when served chilled, so make sure you chill in the fridge. And you can keep this for 3 to 4 days. I think this is a perfect summertime snack. On this channel, I share about authentic Japanese home cooking, traditional sweets, and information about delicious local foods from Japan. If you want to learn about our local foods in depth, please subscribe to my channel. Also, I create a variety of traditional sweets called wagashi and share on my Instagram. You can search for @Miss Wagashi. Thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!